So, you're thinking about investing in Spaceship Universe, huh? And you're wondering, does this space-age investment platform actually pay dividends? Well, buckle up, because we're about to blast off into the exciting world of dividend investing, Spaceship Universe style. Understanding dividends, a quick recap. Before we dive into the specifics of Spaceship Universe, let's quickly recap what dividends are. In simple terms, dividends are a portion of a company's profits that are distributed to its shareholders. It's like a reward for investing your hard-earned money in a company. Spaceship Universe, a unique investment approach. Now, Spaceship Universe isn't your typical investment fund. It's a high-growth, thematic investment platform that focuses on disruptive technologies and innovative companies. Their aim is to capitalize on the next big thing, whether it's artificial intelligence, renewable energy, or space exploration. The dividend dilemma, growth versus income. So, does Spaceship Universe pay dividends? Well, the short answer is, not directly. Spaceship Universe is primarily focused on capital growth, meaning it aims to increase the value of your investment over time. This strategy aligns with their core objective of investing in high-growth companies that are poised to disrupt industries. While they don't pay traditional dividends, Spaceship Universe offers a unique approach to generating returns. Capital gains. As the value of the underlying investments increases, so does the value of your investment. Potential future dividends. While not a guaranteed strategy, some of the companies within Spaceship Universe's portfolio may pay dividends in the future. However, this is not a primary focus of the fund. The Spaceship Universe advantage. So, why choose Spaceship Universe over traditional dividend-paying stocks? Here are a few reasons. Diversification. Spaceship Universe invests in a diversified portfolio of companies across various sectors, reducing risk. Professional management. Their team of experienced investment professionals actively manage the portfolio. Access to innovative companies. You can gain exposure to cutting-edge companies that may not be accessible to individual investors. Simplified investing. Spaceship Universe takes care of the complex aspects of investing, making it easy for you to participate. While Spaceship Universe doesn't pay direct dividends, it offers a compelling investment opportunity for those seeking long-term growth. By focusing on high-growth companies and a diversified portfolio, Spaceship Universe aims to deliver superior returns over time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.